Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the Samsung F55 and confirming battery is above 15% so the phone won't shut down mid-change. Once done, open settings immediately. This is where the emergency call toggle lives. If a secure screen lock prevents fast navigation, temporarily disable it in lock screen settings so you can follow steps without interruptions. Make sure you have a stable touch response, because precise menu taps are necessary to avoid activating emergency features accidentally. You now navigate to Safety and Emergency, sometimes labeled Privacy and Safety depending on the build. This groups SOS and emergency call options. Once inside, find Emergency Call Settings or Emergency SOS. These control automatic dialing and side button shortcuts. Tap the specific option and switch off auto call or deactivate the shortcut that triggers calls. This stops accidental 911 dialing from power or side button presses. Make sure to read the confirmation dialog and accept changes. You finish by verifying the change. Press the side button normally and ensure no emergency prompt appears. Then restart the phone to apply the new configuration system-wide. Many toggles need a reboot to settle. If the emergency call still triggers, update Android and Samsung system updates first, then revisit emergency settings and reset them. As a last resort, clear settings app cache or perform a settings reset. This preserves data while restoring system toggles. That troubleshooting tip usually resolves stubborn behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.